Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Sack Abuja Imam gets new appointment. Sack Chief Imam of National Assembly Mosque Son-e Apo Legislative Quarters in Abuja, Sheikh Nuru Khalid, has been appointed by the Management Committee of a new Jumat mosque behind the Central Bank of Nigeria quarters, Abuja. The nation has learned it also leads to the congregation with effect from Friday, April 8. Khaled was sacked hours ago by the mosque steering committee for criticizing President Muhammadu Buhari over last Monday night attack on an Abuja-Kaduna train. During his sermon, he flagged the government over its failure to tame the escalating insecurity and killing in the country. He, however, described the termination of his appointment by the Mosque Management Committee as a necessary price he has to pay for identifying with the suffering masses and speaking truth to power. Khalid said, "By grace of Almighty Allah, I will be leading my new congregation this Friday because as a clergyman, we need a platform to operate. There is a Jumat mosque we built behind the CBN quarter in Abuja. I will now be leading the congregation there."